Well, my friends, I'm getting ready to do a box opening for one of the nerdiest crossovers ever that I've seen lately. This crosses over with the crypto world and with the collecting world and the comic world and all that good stuff. It's almost in the world of TCG gaming, but it's not gaming. There's gaming online and through an app for it. But this is the new officially licensed hybrid NFT trading cards from HRO and DC Comics. So you may have heard about these. The Batman limited movie edition of the DC Comics. Unlock the Multiverse Chapter 1 right here. It comes along with the Batman movie. There's an app that you can download and you can scan the QR codes to redeem digital NFT twin cards. You can sell these in physical form. You can also sell them in digital form online through their marketplace. And here it is. I just wanted to show you guys, for anybody who's been looking to get their hands on these. I actually heard about them through some of my crypto connections, and I ordered them early. So I'm going to be sharing this across from my Nerd Chic YouTube channel, which is all about the techie and crypto and blockchain and technology and all that kind of stuff, reveals and stuff. And then I'm going to be putting this on Nerdizium, my other channel that has to do with nerdy collectibles. But guys, check this out. This is an incredible season of life. These images and graphics from these comics are being stored in a blockchain. Some people are against blockchains, but the blockchains that they're using for a lot of these things are a lot more kind to our environment than others. And so I just had to get my hands on them. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just a box open and just open some of the packs, because I want you to see what's inside. Again, I had to pre-order these way long ago. I mean, a box of them now costs about $300 to $500. Isn't that insane? So I pre-ordered it, paid up front, didn't know if they were even going to print them, and then they did. So it came in the mail, I got it, and I'm opening it. I should be eBaying the whole box, but I didn't. So here it is. This is, I think, 24 packs of these guys. I'm going to open just a couple here and let you see what's inside. So pretty much all the same whatever. So they're a limited movie edition. Let's see, one or two. Here we go. I'm going to open some. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. And then let's look at how they function. Boom. So you can see, I see right on the back, there's a QR code, of course. And then you've got these awesome cards. That's a really cool one. Last Son of Krypton. So the back looks like this, little QR code, and you scan it into the card, and I'll do another video on how that functions. And then you got these, but look at this. Oh, I got a special card. There's Arkham Asylum, Gotham City. There's Batman from the movie, the latest movie, Batmobile. Oh wow, look at that. That's a holographic panel 9. Check that out. The Avenger of Evil, the Batman. Cool, from the beginning of the comics. Page 2 of Batman #1, 1940, it says at the bottom. These are beautiful cards. What do you guys think? Open a couple more and let you see them, and then I'll do just a pack opening video separately, and then I'll do another video on how to scan them into your system. And if you're aware, I've got an eBay channel where I eBay a lot of these things. So wouldn't it be cool if you want to buy some of my eBay stuff, you can get it online. It's been featured in my videos. Darkseid, well, that's a good one. Batcave. Oh my goodness, the Superman. Martian Manhunter. Another Batmobile. Shadows and Owlman. Cool, look at that. Wow. These are beautiful, beautiful, beautiful cards. Okay, one more, and then I'll do a separate video just for pack openings for anybody that wants to watch that on Nerdizium. And then I'll do another video, like I said, to scan some of these. And Shazam! I love Shazam. I think Krypton is seen as Man of Steel #2. Oh, wow, John Constantine. I didn't expect that to be in here. It's a sketch card, line art. Cool. Batcave, Hero, Harley Quinn. Now that's a good card. That one is worth something, friends. Wow. Boom. So that's a lot of fun. I just want to share that real quick on here. This again is my HRO hybrid NFT trading cards. If you want to see more, watch my next video I do where I share how I scan them in to get NFTs on my phone. So I have to do a screen recording on that. And then if you really want to see a lot more, I'm going to have another video of opening the rest of these packs through the Nerdizium channel. So don't forget to subscribe to Nerd Chic for more things crypto, techie, and any kind of tech support. Hit me up in here and share a comment. Tell me what your favorite DC character is in that world. Who knows? I might have it. And you never know, I might shout you out. And then also, you know, subscribe to my Nerdizium channel or the Nerd Chic Gaming channel to keep up with all those kinds of things. Thanks for tuning in. You guys take care and have a good one.